But if
We're
I
going
was
live.
there,
We're live.
We're live.
We're live.
Oh, okay.
You should. Yeah. We have a drop-in to the Committed Club today.
How's it going?
Jose, you guys
my hand's pretty
don't
bad.
really know Jose because he's his training partner, and he's not part of the Committed Club because he doesn't check into class. So, Committed Club
Committed,
is
non-committed club.
yeah.
Yeah.
Committed Club.
I'm here every day.
Yeah,
If you
he's
guys
here.
don't already know, shut up.
Sorry,
Yeah.
Mike.
If you guys don't already know, Committed Club is going to 16 classes in the month. That's 4 a week. We do a drawing every month, and if
What
you
do we get this month?
Shoot, we haven't figured that out yet. What should we give away?
A pair of Nano X's by Froning.
Okay, I win. I won.
Buy them then.
We'll give away a 2-pound
2 pound.
driven whey protein
Oh, I thought you were gonna
of your
like.
flavor.
I thought you were gonna give
It's-
away like dumbbells. I'm like,
No,
what?
no. We'll give you a 2-pound box of jug of protein as long as it's banana cream. Any flavor you want, as long as it's banana cream.
Nobody likes banana cream.
Sure.
Okay. No. Any flavor you want. I'm just kidding. All right. So let's check out the list.
Who we got?
We have a big list today.
I cannot read
Can you
that.
put my
I
name
don't
in there?
No, your name's not in there. All right, we got Raul, we got Abner, we got Julie, who's on this list every single month. Robert and Daniel, they've been on the list. Jacob Paul was the top guy. I'm not sure he missed a whole day. Jana's right up there with him. Tim, Thomas, Lorenza, 5:30 a.m. Ooh, Dixon, 5:30. Marlee, Ryan, congratulations to the new baby. And Sydnee Brown, her first month at the gym, she already made Committed Club.
Wow.
Not only does she make Committed Club, she comes at 5:30 a.m.
Oh, that's committed.
That's
Club.
very, very committed.
Yeah.
Committed. So,
I don't see my name on there.
your name's not in there because you don't check into class, right? Check into class.
But he's always here though.
Mhm.
He's always here. I mean, Leslie's here too. She's training.
Yeah. Anyway,
We have the committed,
Let's-
non-committed club.
let's pick. Okay? Drum roll, please.
Where's that list?
Drum roll. Here we go. All right. And the winner is Tim Richardson.
Tim Richardson.
Congratulations,
I'm gonna go
Tim.
tell him because he's working straight ahead over here.
Tim, I understand your special dietary needs, so we'll do a special order for you or figure something out.
Yeah.
Anyway, so from Jose, Mike, and Keanu, congratulations to all the Committed Club.
Congratulations, Tim.
Yeah.
Congrats, Tim. Yeah.
Okay.
Make sure you sign into class.
We'll see you guys
Maybe next time I'll
month.
win.
Maybe next time.
Next
Yeah.
month.
Yeah, next time. Bye.